morning, guys. It's the time. It's the time. Good morning, Tita and Tito.
And we're on the taxi and we're going on the plane today.
Wow. Where are you going, Paris?
To a hotel.
Where?
Where?
What's it called again?
Can you hold that?
You know what? What's it called
Okay.
again? I don't remember. Sydney.
Yeah.
It's a little bit smoky out there.
Good
I
morning.
can just see an airplane already.
Morning.
I can see an airplane already over there.
Can you?
Yeah.
Wow. Because we're going to the airport. That's why.
It looks like the airport.
Mhm.
Oh my, just up here in the clouds.
Yeah. That's our bags there na, guys. So, meron kaming tatlong bagahe na malaki pang check-in. Tapos, may dalawang maliit para sa carry-on.
Yeah, that's so
Ito lang yung carry-on ni Daddy Mikey. Something like
Clean is beside it.
Yeah, she's very happy.
It's Clean's first time in the airplane.
Nah. Remember last year we came here from Melbourne?
I know.
Yeah.
But it's Clean's not first time.
Yes. She's very excited. And where are we going tomorrow?
Philippines.
Philippines? Philippines? We're going to see Lola.
Yeah, remember Mimi showed ice cream?
Which one?
Mimi, ice cream.
Tita Mimi?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Did she say she's gonna give you an ice cream?
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
I like biscotti.
Biscotti.
That's my favorite. Always when you give it, I always need it. Wow!
Hold on. It's still 6 o'clock in the morning, guys. We're on our way to the airport. And it's the 31st, so it's the last day of the year. We are flying to Sydney this morning. 8 o'clock yung flight namin. So we'll get to Sydney around 10. And we're staying
Tonight,
at...
when we get to our hotel is nighttime,
Mhm.
I think we're gonna see fireworks.
Yes, tonight. Yes, movie.
Mommy, look, is there a balcony?
Yeah. I don't know. I'm not sure. Yeah, we are going to spend our New Year's Eve. New Year's Eve, yeah. And we're going to welcome the New Year's in Sydney. I know, I can see the water. Bukas pa yung flight namin pa Pinas, guys. But we decided na ngayon kami pupunta sa Sydney kasi yung flight namin bukas ay 12 noon. So, ibig sabihin na kailangan namin super maaga. And yeah, we just, wanted to spend the day in Sydney naman and, see the fireworks in Sydney tonight. So, the more exciting part is that we're going to Pinas bukas. Oh my God! Pinas namin bukas! Hi, Mom! Are you excited? Ito yung pa-outfit ni Mami niyo sa airport, guys. Oh, okay.
Here go now.
Meron akong ganito. Ayan, pero sobrang init kanina kasi alam mo naman, I'm carrying baby Celine. Tapos may bag pa, kaya I was sweating. Kaya hinubad ko. Ate. Yeah, yan lang. Shorts. Tapos itong flannel. Tapos ito yung sinuot ko para easy access kay easy access kay baby Celine. Tapos naka-flat hat ko, guys. Okay.
My
I'll show you our outfit. Come ba, show our outfit. So, 7:40 ang aming... Hey, come down so they can see you. 7:40 ang aming boarding time. So, we are going now. It's sweetie. This way.
Not even fun.
Sure. Hi, tita, tito. Tapos na kaming mag-check-in. Dito kami sa labas. We're having hot drinks. What's wrong? What's wrong? Oh, Daddy, can you just pick it up, please? Dummy. We have banana bread. And hot chocolate. Honey girl! Oh my goodness, Delaney. Can you drink water, please? Ate? You did?
No.
Another one going.
Oh wait, that was about to fly.
It's going.
Mom, look at that
Okay.
truck over there.
Delaney can have a look too.
I can. My car sit.
What can you see? Shush na po yung pahawid-hawid sa iyong agtang. What's in there?
I remember the plane that we came to Brisbane and we seen Corella's airplane.
Yeah, I remember that.
And
Hello.
oh my goodness, that was about to fly over.
No, I think it just arrived, that one.
Yay! Oh yeah, you're right, Ma. You're right. Actually,
Is that a plane, Lynn?
no, that one's going that way.
Yeah. See, that one is leaving.
Oh man,
Look, did you see it?
that one was the fast one.
Because it's
not-
leaving, that's why. Did you
The
see?
other one was slow. I think that one's gonna definitely park.
That's right, yeah.
If
Here's
it's
another
fast,
truck.
If it's fast, that means it's gonna fly.
Correct.
If it's very slow, that means it's parking.
Well done, ate.
Oh,
That's correct. La, very noisy yan. Nawala the way there. Huh?
Lean is always noisy.
She's just very excited. See? She's knocking on the window.
Can I sit like this?
Yeah, you can. Boarding shortly.
And when the pilot says Paris, that means it's our turn. Yeah, is that right?
Yeah, they started boarding now. Where's Daddy?
He's way over there.
We probably can go now because we got kids. Okay, let's go. Lini, hold
Where?
Mama. Hold Mama, we
Where?
gotta go.
Where?
Look at Paris.
Where? When we're coming to Brisbane. Remember when we're coming to Brisbane?
Yeah.
Tingnan niyo, wala yata akong
we see
upuan nito.
Carla's plane. Trying to.
Gusto din ito umupo.
That wasn't actually Carla's plane. It's just a color reflection.
Okay, Anna.
Dad, there's some buttons. There's buttons.
Mama has the seat.
Oh my goodness, buttons.
You sit with the Paris for now. Okay, na po. Back ko man. Gosh, have a look at her.
Yes, he doesn't want me to hold her. Oh man, what are they doing? I get the light. It's coming off.
Okay. I'm gonna get her. Okay, mommy.
moments later.
We are at our hotel na, guys. Mag-check-in lang kami. Tingnan niyo ang kanilang floor dito. Oh, super cool. Meron silang pond. May aquarium. Yes lang?
This is actually glass.
Yes, thick glass.
That's why you can. That's
Daddy.
That's why I can
Oh.
write. That's why I can write. That's why.
Oh, next waiting. I thought it was you. These are bags.
That's why it's not right.
Yeah, it's not gonna break, sweetie.
Yeah.
Super strong.
But you just joking.
Ay, shush! Ayaw mo magpalapag. Ha?
But you joking.
Yeah. Walk on it.
There's one fish over here.
Yeah. Ang daming tao, guys. Sobrang busy ang kanilang hotel, oh. Ang mga bagaheng bigat-bigat. Dad! What do you think of our room? What do you think of our room? Nakarating na kami, guys. Hello. Hala, haggard na haggard naman yan. Oy. Hala ka. We'll just give you a quick room tour, guys. Ayan. So, we are at Regis. How do you say that, Bob? Regis? Regis. Registrar Hills. Ayan ang aming mga bagahe. Dito. Ilalagay mo dito yung ano mo. Milyones mo.
Super comfortable.
Super comfortable lang. So we've got the main bed. So this is mommy and daddy's bed. They've got another mirror here. Not sure. Oh, no. Mirror lang talaga siya. Akala ko ano. And then, Lini! Hala, si Lini is calling someone ah.
No, she didn't press any buttons. Just
Ling, is this your bed?
just
Lini, is this your bed?
my just a long swing doesn't press any buttons. She did it.
Lini, hey, how about use this one? Use the remote instead. Hey, this one. Hala, maragig kurik ko. Hello?
You reckon that guy fancy Dave?
Yeah, you can't play with the phone enough. Huh? Because someone might pick it up. Sorry, sweetheart. Oh, look at the Paris.
He said he's going to get the plane to see the fireworks.
Oh, yeah, that's fine. So, that's Auntie Paris's bed.
Mom, what did I say
Madali
again
man,
before?
ay. And then,
What did I say
It's their
before?
yeah, I'll study again, my love. I didn't hear it.
Dad, what did you say before to mine?
He said, I
Ah,
don't think,
thanks God. May makakain ako ngayon. Sobrang gutom na gutom ako.
he said, I don't think you'll be able to see the fireworks.
I can't show you the bathroom is yet because Daddy Mike is good. Oh! Ayan, naghahanap ng phone.
Why?
He said that the...
Ay, come here! Come here! Alam niyo ba, guys? This room cost a lot because very ano na Sydney one.
Here.
But careful na because she wants to get the phone. But ano na kasi last minute na kasi itong binok, 'di ba? So yeah, so this is what you get. How much, Daddy?
$640.
Yeah. So this is what you get for $640 for one night.
Here goes
So yeah, we got no choice kasi wala talaga kailangan namin na.
No, the other choice was to
Let me
go
hear
like
you do.
500 something right out west.
Yeah, but yeah, merong medyo cheap, well cheaper kasi 500 pa rin. Pero malayo na siya sa airport. So ito, how long was the drive from the airport? Was it 15 minutes?
Yeah.
Yeah, at least 15 minutes. So
Yeah, it's just about area.
okay. Yeah.
It's a nice area.
Good,
It's so
yeah,
beautiful.
convenient. Huh?
This is like a really nice area.
Yeah, but we're not staying real. Like we're
Yeah, no, but
just
like
for today and then
But
tonight.
my idea was to
That's
my idea was like, in theory, I would like to go to the fireworks. But what he's saying is,
Yeah.
if you want to go to the fireworks,
Mike, how do you carry Celine up here?
he's like, if
Careful
you
lang.
want to go to the fireworks, you might want to go now.
I still want to go up there.
He's
Yeah.
saying like you need to wait now. And I'm like, I'm not here. I'm not gonna
Mike,
go.
can you
I'm not doing that.
That's what I said. No, but, he was being honest. He's like, honestly, like,
Why so many people?
yeah. He's like, and then they start sectioning it off. Like, they start closing places when it's too packed. You know, like so you can't get into this part. They don't understand that. It's like very spectacular. You know,
Yeah. Yeah.
it's So free too.
So yeah. So if hindi kami makapunta doon mamaya, right? It's fine for me. We need
Where are you?
to rest anyways kasi bukas maaga na naman yung lakad natin papuntang airport to go to the Philippines. So yeah. Pakita ko na sa inyo yung bathroom kasi wala na sila ni Mike.
You wanna go get ready? You wanna go look at the pool quickly?
Ayan. So that is the shower. And I have this little mirror here. Hala, I need to freshen up kasi hagardong na sa mama niyo.
Until 10.
Where are you going?
I'm just gonna shower.
Okay.
And then we'll go.
Is it a circle pool? That's
Where's
where
the
you are.
cards?
This.
Where's the card?
Ito na to guys. Oh, kasi sobrang gutom na. Si mami niyo. Lalabas kami mamaya. Kakain kami. Pinapakita lang ni Daddy Mike kay Ate Paris yung pool. Diba? Gusto yung makita ang pool. Yan na lang! No! Hang on. Baby, ha? Actually, not the nuts. Not good for you. Alam niyo ba? Funny, Tingnan niyo ang room number namin. 333. Alam niyo ba, nung nag-move kami from Melbourne to Brisbane, that was December 28 last year. 27 or 28 last year. Nag-stay kami sa isang hotel sa Melbourne. Ay, yung room number namin ay 333 din. And then, nung pagkadating namin sa Brisbane, yung room number namin ay 222. So, yeah, not sure. It's very like a coincidence lang na yung number ay always ganyan yung room number. We'll see if they have water here, nak ba? Anong fridge? Ang sarap ng mani na yan, ha? Kaya gutom lang talaga ako. Got water lang. They've got chocolate, drink. They got milk. Ito yung sinasabi ni Ate Paris, oh. Mommy, do you think they have the milk? The little milk? Kasi every time na mag-stay kami ng hotel, meron silang ganyan. Okay, close. Thank you lang. They've got water. Do you want some water? Here. Here. Ow! Ay! Open? Hello! Hello?
Can you go chat Thai?
Yeah.
Five restaurants?
Yeah. Uy! Nabihisan ko na ang ating baby Celine. Ayan. Ayan. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, she looks like... Ano sabi mo, Daddy? What did you say about Celine? She looks like...
A scrub.
A scrub.
Bye, it's super.
Yeah. Yeah. Ayan, no, she's more comfortable. Where's your hairpin, manak?
I don't know.
Ah, okay. Lynn? What is this? What is this? What is this, Lynn?
No shoes, it's sandals.
Ah, nanapo na siya sayang. Ikaw na lagi ang bright.
Sandals.
Hayaan mo na siya na. Ikaw ba? Ikaw ba kayo? Ikaw na lagi si Kuan. Miss Know It All.
Gagadaguan kaki.
Why? Buti na meron to nga ito kay si Celine dyan ilagay sa loob. Nakma, hindi ka makalabas. Yeah? We're gonna go get something to eat. Lunch. What's the time, Bobby?
12:40. I'm gonna go chat Thai. I don't wanna go now because I'm hungry. I don't wanna eat dessert. Yes! Let's go, Bob.
My hair took me up.
Bye-bye. We're going, Daddy and Mommy are
Bye.
going, okay?
Judy.
We're going to get some lunch. You be good girls. You stay here.
While we come back.
Yeah, we'll come back for you later, okay? Okay?
Okay.
Can you look after your sister?
Maybe I can.
Huh?
I think I can.
You think you can? You can, yeah, yes you can. Okay, Lini, be good girl to your ate. Okay, Mommy and Daddy going. Bye-bye. Babay po ka ha.